everyone, so today we will be talking about lipsticks. So a lot of my friends have actually asked me as to what lipsticks that they can buy that are not very heavily priced and they do not burn their pockets as well at the same time. It is summer, so the lipsticks, they tend to melt down or break. So I would also not suggest you guys to go ahead and buy very heavily priced lipsticks because they might get damaged. So I thought it will be a good time for me to actually go ahead and upload a video wherein I can cover 5 different lipsticks that you get below rupees 500 or 500. So let's just quickly check what lipstick options we've got here. So these are the lipsticks that I've got with me. I've got with me that we can discuss. And to start with, let's just go with this particular lipstick. It is by In Color, and this is the shade 613. I just hope you guys can see this. So it's a beautiful magenta purple shade that I've got. So what it does is, it's, as the color suggests, it's a 2-in-1 moisture and color lipstick. As the name suggests, it is absolutely moisturizing, very creamy. It glides onto your lips. So in case you're somebody who looks for a creamy textured lipstick and for a moisturizing lipstick, I think it is a great buy. It comes for rupees 300. I bought it for 300 rupees. I'll check the current price it has been offered at in case there's a discount. So I will go ahead and link, put down the amount, the price at which it's been offered at this point in time in the description box. You guys can check that out. I'll swatch this for you guys so that you guys can know what's the color payoff. So that's the color payoff it gives, and I am in love with this. So that's one of the reasons why I have 2 different shades as well of the same lipstick. So one of them is this, which is a classic red color. This is in shade 604. I'll show it to you. So that's the color, the swatch for this particular lipstick. The third is this tangy orange shade that I've got. It's in shade 605. Let's just quickly check. I hope you guys can see. So that's the color payoff of these lipsticks. So again, as I mentioned, it's for rupees 300 each. Worth buying, and you can just pop it into your purse, and it's very easy to apply as well, as you guys can see. I mean, you just need to roll this up and the product comes out. You can easily glide it on your lips and you're good to go. So I think it's a must buy in case you're somebody, you're going to college or you're going to work and you want a lipstick which is very much handy. So this is something that you guys can go for. Coming back to the next lipstick that we'll be discussing here is the very famous Lakme 9 to 5 range. I hope you guys can see the name mentioned. So this is the creaseless lipsticks that these they have actually launched. It's in the shade Fuchsia Field. Not too sure again if you guys can see this. I'm so sorry for the lighting. So yes, it's one of the shades of pink. So I'm more into pinks. I have actually applied it on my lips as well, so you guys can see the color. I'll swatch this out for you. That's the color swatch. You guys can see this. So again, it's a very creamy lipstick. It does not stay 9 to 5 on your lips, so definitely do not buy this because, as the name suggests, it does not live by that. It does not stay for those 8 hours, but yes, it has a decent amount of stay in case you're looking for that. And the amount at which it has been offered here, I bought it for rupees 325 rupees. So I'll again check the recent price it's been offered, and I will go ahead and put that in the description box, so you guys can go for that. Next, we have the very famous lip gradation. So it was I am a Maybelline fan, so I have a lot of lipsticks that are from Maybelline. So let's just quickly go ahead and check. So this is Maybelline lip gradation in the shade Pink 2. So it comes. Okay, one thing that I really want to mention about this particular product, you apply it, you feel like you're applying butter on your lips. It's super creamy, super soft on your lips. You would not even know what just happened, and you will have that pop of color on your lips. So it's a fantastic product in case you're looking for something very creamy and nice and buttery to apply for. Let me just quickly glide this on. Wow, it's this nice hot pink that I've got here. This is the shade. Beautiful texture, beautiful as you apply it on your lips. So I am somebody who's absolutely in love with this particular lip gradation. I'm sure the sponge will tell you how much I've used it, so you guys can see that. It comes with a sponge applicator. What you guys need to do is you need to just apply a little bit in the center of your lips, and later on you guys can just smudge it off. So I'm not too sure if you guys can see this. So that's how it pays off the color. Coming back to the price of this particular product, it retails for rupees 500. Again, you might get this particular product at a discount on various websites. Amazon has a different amount it offers, and Nykaa gives you various discounts. So it will be available at different prices. I will see what's the price it's been offered again, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description box so you guys can check that out. Next we have again is a Maybelline lipstick, and this is by Rebelle Bouquet Collection. What just happened? This is by the Rebelle Bouquet Collection. I'm in the shade Reb 02. It's again a hot pink shade. As I've told, I'm a pink lover, so yes, that's the shade. I'm not too sure if you guys can see. I'm so sorry for the lightings. It's a beautiful pink shade that I love applying on a daily basis. If I'm going to work, if I'm going to to meet a friend, I think this is my go-to shade that I always prefer applying. One of the reasons why I'm in love with this particular shade is because it looks like it's very creamy. As you guys can see, it looks like it's that moisturizing, glossy sort of a shade. But no, as soon as you apply it, yes, it's glossy at that point in time, but it does settle down, so it gives you a nice pigmented look throughout the day. So it's absolutely a fantastic buy in case you're looking for a lipstick that stays for a very longer duration. So I think this is something that you guys can go for. It retails for rupees 350. Again, I'll put the recent price it's been offered at in the description box. You guys can check this. It is my favorite, so in case you guys want to know what's my suggested lipstick, I think Rebelle Bouquet Collection is something that I would always advise you guys to go and buy. So this is a steal. Now the last shade, rather the last product that I will be sharing with you is not a lipstick, it's a lip gloss. I'm not a lip gloss person, absolutely not at all, because I feel they're too sticky, and as the day passes by, it just gets difficult to deal with them. But one of the products which is by a brand that's not very famous, I think I have not seen a lot of friends using that particular product, particular brand, so I thought it will be a good option for me to go ahead and introduce this one. This is by Color Essence. So it says that it's naturally creates the look of a fuller, more voluptuous lips. It indeed does it. So it is clear, not exactly clear, it gives you a mauve tone, a tone on your lips. It's a fantastic lip gloss. Saying a fantastic lip gloss by a person who's not a gloss person, I think it's something that you guys can actually go for. So I'll just quickly swatch this for you. I'm not too sure whether you will be able to see the shade because it's very much clear. So yes, that's the tone it gives to you. It has this, it's a beautiful nude shade, and it's not at all sticky. So in case you're planning to apply it in the morning, it stays there for a very longer duration, does not chap your lips, so you do not have this white lining within your lips. And I think this is it's a fantastic buy in case you're somebody who goes to work and does not want to apply a lot of lipstick and get that attention. So I think this is something that you guys can really go for. It is moisturizing, it does not chap your lips. So again, it's a added bonus. This retails for rupees 225, and with this particular cost it offers, I think it's absolute steal. So these were the lipsticks that I have been crazy after, and they have actually served their purpose from a very long time. So, and again, in case you're looking for lipsticks that they do not hurt your pocket, so I think these are the options that you guys can go for. In case you have any other suggestions or any other brands that you know of that have lipsticks below rupees 500, guys, please go ahead and suggest that to me. I will be more than happy to try them out. You can notify all those lipsticks in the comments box below. In case you guys want me to try out any of the lipsticks, do let me know about that as well. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.